Hi, boys and girls. We're going to be working in Lesson 18. We're doing the first 3 pages in that section of our Journeys Reader's Notebook, Grade 1, Volume 2. The 3 pages we're doing today are 31, 32, and 33. So 2 of those pages are word work, as in phonics word work. And we're going to start with introduction into the phonics that we're doing for our spelling words and our phonics words. So here we have AI and AY. They are 2 spellings for the long A sound. So let's just say the words. Stay. The AY makes the A sound. Stay. Way. Aid. Paid. Let's move this over. Braid. Braid, like a braid in your hair. Maid, somebody who cleans houses professionally. Rain, the AI makes the A sound. Do you notice on all these words the AI is between 2 letters? But over here, the AY is at the end of the words. Got to remember that. If you hear the long A sound at the end of a word, spell it with AY. If you hear it in the middle of the word, it depends, but a lot of the time the AI will spell it. This says grain, pain. What does this one say? Ale, male. This one says ale, sail. Play, spray. I'm going to spray the car down before I wash it. Pay, hay. May, whoops, and day. Okay, so just again, all the ones that end with the A sound: stay, play, pay, may, day, hay, spray, way. We spelled that A sound with an AY. But when it was in the middle of the word, we spelled it with an AI. So hopefully you'll get that down before we have our spelling test on Friday, because 5 of our words end with an A sound, spelled with an AY, and 5 of them have an A sound in the middle, and we spell it with an AI. Okay, so words with AI and AY. This is a tray. Which of these says tray? Tray. The one with the T in it. Circled the one with the T in it. And we're spelling a tray. Nail. I immediately saw the N. This one starts with an S. It's not a sail. It's a nail. So write down nail. We heard the A in the middle of it. The last sound was O. So we spelled the A sound with AI. Nail. Hey. Hey. What spells A? If it's the last sound you hear, A-Y. Hey. Pain. Paint. Paint. Pain. Pain. This one says pain. 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 Okay, and this is rain. That doesn't say rain. That starts with a T. Rain. It's this one. Circle the word rain. A N. Rain. Okay, let's do our sight words. Let's just read them. before we do the sentences? There are 8 of them. You ready? Do you remember this? Okay, it says write. Actually, there's a link for a lesson for just these 8 words. This says write. First. First. I'm going to be first in line. Food. I'm going to be first in line to get food. These. These markers are mine. These. Your. Where are your markers? Did your markers dry out? Under. One of your markers is under the bed. Ground. Did you check the ground to see if your marker fell on it? Sometimes. Sometimes I wish I had more markers. And then we start right back over. So now, let's go ahead and we are on page 32, and we're going to do our words to know. Fran ate her beets these. Fran ate her beets first. Circle the word first. Beets are planted in the ground. Beets are planted in the sometimes. They're planted in the ground. Food, Fran eats salad too. Sometimes Fran eats salad too. Okay, sometimes. Fran has to eat all the food on her plate. Fran has to eat all the your on her plate. All the food. Eat ground peas, said Mom. Eat your peas, said Mom. Eat your peas. The peas are your from the shop. The peas are right from the shop. That means they're fresh if you just got them. Fran looked under her peas. Fran looked first her peas. Neither one of them is right. That doesn't sound right. Fran looked under her peas. I'm not going to even have you guys do that one. Fran said, these peas look good. You know what? The other one says under peas look good. Okay, so they were trying to say under over here, but it just didn't make sense. Fran looked under her peas. I guess you could do that. Okay, let's go ahead and do our last word work page with words that have AI and AY. Remember, AI and AY spell A. This goes in the middle of some letters, in the middle of a word. This spelling goes at the end of a word. This is a ray of sun. They're pointing to this ray. Tray. Nope, not that one. Ray. Yep, it's this one. Ray. This is a sailboat. And maybe they're talking about these. This is a sail. Sail. Tail. Sail. They spell the A sound in sail with AI. They're going to play. Play. And now it's going to rain. Rain. Main. Rain. And the man's going to paint. This says pant. You need to have an AI to make the long A sound. Paint. I hope that was helpful to you. Ciao.